Master Sega here. So I wanted to do a video for two reasons. First, to sort of test out my video recording setup, coordinating all the moving pieces like recording video, monitoring, file management, screen sharing, etc. Because all of that's really kind of complicated for me, and I'm just getting used to that. And secondly, I wanted to do sort of a product review because I recently got something from Amazon to help me with something. So I figured I would share that with you guys. So let me go ahead and start sharing my camera and get it to landscape. So I just got an MP3 player from Amazon because one of the things I'm trying to do is learn to sing and use my voice to enhance the music that I already do. So I was looking for a solution to make my process a little easier out in the field, because my goal is to obviously be doing the vocal exercises and singing songs, but in order to record that process at the same time, I found that very challenging with my phone, and I really don't like bringing my computer as a source for the music. So after kind of researching a few things to do, I figured that getting an MP3 player would help me be able to listen to my source music, the reference music, so that I can sing, and then I can either record my voice cleanly through through my phone while I'm listening to the music through headphones and using this MP3 player, or I can use this MP3 player to connect with a Bluetooth speaker, which I also got from Amazon, but that's not here yet, in order to have the music playing ambiently, and then I can use my phone to do video of basically my process of warming up or singing to my favorite songs or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that the actual device, which actually feels pretty heavy for its size. Already I'm loving that they included a little protector for this. It's very sensible. Well, just with the packaging alone, I'm already very impressed. So here is the instruction manual. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on the MP3 player. So I have it here, and put in my USB-C. So when you connect the MP3 player, then you'll get a folder like this. and then you can just drag and drop the files right on there. So I'm going to do my vocal warm-up files, which I already prepared, and I would start with classical, my bel canto repertoire, drag and drop, and that's it. Alrighty, so I'm going to test some playback. I'm impressed that for such a small device it is quite loud. But of course, the audio quality is nowhere near what it's going to sound like through headphones or Bluetooth speakers, so depending on how you like to enjoy your media, I would recommend through headphones or a Bluetooth speaker. For my purposes though, sometimes I just need to hear the reference music to sing along, and it doesn't have to be of any particular audio quality. You can see the speaker on the back here. And also disregard the crackling from the track. That's because the recording is an old recording of an opera singer doing vocal exercises from the 20s. So now let's go through some of the playback features. I think this is cool, the AB feature, which loops a section of the track that you choose. For vocal exercises, that can be useful if I need to hear and repeat a section over and over until I get it. And then here's the speed tool, which I really like, because sometimes when doing vocal exercises I like to challenge myself and do it faster than the original recording. But then sometimes slowing it down is useful, because these operatic runs can be difficult for me to hear all the individual notes or get the rhythm. So if I can hear it slowly, then usually I can get it. And then I work my way up back to normal speed. And then here's a favoriting feature, so it'll organize all your favorites together. One really cool feature is this equalizer. So you can, it has a bunch of presets that adjust the levels, whether it be more bass or more treble. So far I like the jazz one because it plays with a bit more bass and more volume, which I like, kind of a more immersive sound. So despite all the wonderful features, there is one drawback, which is when you load in your music, the device does not recognize the file names in terms of organization, so all the music will be out of order. So in order to fix this, I had to do some research in order to force the device to organize the music in the order that I want. Because as when I'm doing vocal exercises, I want the music to play in a certain order. So I may do another video showing how to do all of that, because that could probably be useful for people who value more control over their playlists. So here I was able to get everything to play in the right order. So is it a deal breaker for me? Well, no, because this device basically does everything that I need it to do, and the price point was so low that you know, for all the features you are getting, I think it's actually worth its value. So testing the earphones, and the audio is excellent. And I absolutely love that this little device has Bluetooth connectivity, because being able to free up your phone's resources and play all your music from this little device in your pocket to your wireless earbuds or Bluetooth speaker just, I think, brings a lot of value. You can take this on a workout. It lets you disconnect from notifications and all of the other distractions from your phone. And the audio is great. So it has other features like this stopwatch, and it can hold ebook files. So this is a test of the voice recorder. And this voice recorder feature can be really useful for meetings. It has a calculator, alarm, and calendar. Because of the versatility of this MP3 player, I can either Bluetooth it to the car system. Of course, my car is too old, so I have to do it the other way, which is to plug in the aux into the headphone jack and hook that to the aux system of the car, and just like that. So, yeah, this was a good purchase. So now that I have the aux in, I can show the radio feature. So right now I have it kind of looking through to automatically lock on to stations. So that's kind of redundant in the car, but that's just to show that it has that feature. So this is kind of what I mean. Now that I have this little MP3 player, I can now record my process. So with my phone over there. So let's try my legato exercise. Just wanted to do a preliminary video and see how everything worked and coordinated everything. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll also provide the product link for this little guy if you find that that would be useful in your life. Master Sega signing out.